Michigan has a new law addressing gun violence.
It is just the latest in a series of gun reform bills following the Michigan State University shooting.
I'm ready to sign the bill.
Today, Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed red flag gun laws, which will allow courts to take guns away from those believed to be a danger to themselves or others. Safe storage and universal background checks were signed into law last month.
13 on your side's Josh Albertus joins us now with details on this legislation. Josh.
Well, Governor Whitmer this afternoon signed that so-called red flag law this afternoon, which would bring up the rear on reforms that Democratic lawmakers and gun safety advocates have pushed for months.
And so with that, I'm ready to sign the bill.
A major victory for gun reform advocates in Michigan. Governor Gretchen Whitmer on Monday signing the state's so-called red flag bills, establishing extreme risk protection orders that would allow courts to remove firearms from individuals that are deemed dangerous.
In this country and only in the United States of America, guns are the #1 killer of our kids. We must take action, and today I'm proud to say here in Michigan, we are.
It caps off the final major priority advocates hope to pass in the wake of the Michigan State University mass shooting in February, on the heels of universal background checks for gun purchases and so-called safe storage laws signed earlier this year. Today, rounding out 3 months branded by grief turned into action.
But I refuse to be another statistic in the American education system, and I refuse to wait until others come to realize that all those victims, they were worthy of life. You guys are worthy of life. I am worthy of life.
But for some, they've made clear in recent months that the fight is not yet over.
And it is amazing that Michigan is taking the steps forward, but again, there is more work to be done. Across the nation and in this state, we need to ban assault weapons. We need to take further precautions. We do.
For others just getting started, it's a fight to push back on what they see as laws that infringe on gun owners' due process rights.
We believe that these measures are not going to make Michigan safer. We believe that what this is going to do is make it harder for law-abiding Michiganders to practice their rights and their rights of self-defense. I think that that the Michigan legislature should be prepared for legal challenges to these laws.
For some, the beginning of the fight for more and against. For others, a victory. Years in the making. Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.
Michigan is the 21st state to enact a law supporters say protect people who are in danger to themselves or others. According to Pew Research Center, 61% of gun deaths between 2008 and 2017 in the U.S. were death by suicide. This is a map showing the other states where laws are currently in place. Today, Michigan joined 3 other Great Lakes states, Illinois, Indiana, and Minnesota, in signing legislation into law. Oklahoma is the only state to pass a law prohibiting the creation of a red flag law.